Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack the RAR or zip files using app called RAR on your Realme C31. So in order to do that, we'll need to find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM, camera, and there's 3 pictures which I want to pack into the RAR file. So I'm just gonna select all of them like that, and now press on this plus button. From here you can customize your RAR file by changing extension from RAR to zip or RAR.4.x, delete files after archiving, or create solid archive. You can change the name of the archive. For example, let's call it pictures. Like that, and set the password for it. So my password will be 1234. We can show the password if we are not sure that we typed it in correctly, or encrypt the file names as well, to not make when people open the archive, they won't be able to see the names of the files. So press OK, and from here we can move to the advanced options, which we can change. You can see all of them right here, and other options right here as well. You can go to comments to leave any comment about your RAR or zip file, and in order to actually pack it, we need to press OK, and our picture.RAR will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.